Hello friends, welcome to Knowledge Assistant. Today I will show you some tips and tricks about Excel. So let me open a file. I have created a table for you, but the table is not arranged properly. Like you can see, the Muhammad name is not able to see properly. You can't even see Usha name properly. So for this you need to adjust the width of the cell. So for that you need to select it and you need to increase its size. But now the size is more than you required. So for that, if you will double click on that, it will automatically adjust the size properly. See, it's now clear. Similarly, if you want to see Usha, then you can double click over here, you can see. But if you have a data more than 100 200 lines, you can't do it for individual. So there is a shortcut trick to do that. Select the whole sheet, press Ctrl plus A, then the whole sheet will be selected. Now press anywhere on any cell which you want to adjust. So I will select D1 and I now see every column are arranged properly. Similarly, select any row and double click. The second tip is about flash fill. So I will create a new column name full name. Full name. So I want to write Ram and Shukla together over here. So I will write Ram Shukla. Like this, I need to write the full name of individual, but instead of that I can use flash fill. For that you need to go in home tab and there you need to go in editing ribbon. There you will find an option fill. There you need to go in flash fill and click on it. You can see you got the name of every person's name together. Now you can even border that by selecting font in the home. There you can see thick outside border and you will get that. Now even you can border this one. Now the third trick about which I am talking is format painter. So suppose I want the color blue color over here, so I will select any cell which has blue color. I will click on format painter and then I will click on the cell where I want it. So you can see how to use format painter. And the fourth trick about which I am talking is autofill. Suppose I want to write a serial number over here, so like 1 2, but if the table is too big, I am unable to write for it. It will take a long time. So select numbers and then drag it. You will get the numbers below easily. It's so easy. You can do even it for a table. Like I want to write for table 4 1s are 4 4 2s are 8 4 3s are 12. Now I want a whole table, so I will select this 3 and I will drag it. So I got the table of 4. You can even use it for Monday, Tuesday also, like Monday, Tuesday. So now select it and drag it. It will write automatically Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You can use it for a full name Monday, Tuesday. So again you need to select this and drag it. You can see it is automatically filled. You can even use it for months, like I will write it here January, February. So I will select this and I will drag it. See, you can see January, February, March, April. You can even use it for full name also. Now the next trick is filter. For that you need to select the topmost row and then you need to go in home tab, editing section. There you will find sort and filter. There you need to click on filter. So you can see now there is a filter option created on each column. So suppose I want only the department which belongs to engineering. So I will select engineering and I will click on OK. So you can see there is only people having engineering as a department are visible. Now you can click here, and then if you want only for finance and operations, then you click select that and then click on OK. You can see the people who have department of finance and operations, you can see it here. Now if you want to clear filter, then you need to go again in the editing section and click on clear. You see that it is cleared. Now first I will clear this one. So the next trick is text to column. If you want first name and last name separately, then you can use text to column. Let me first adjust the size of this full name column. So now it is adjusted properly. I will border this one. So select this one. So click on data and then click on text to column. Then click on next. Click on space. Click on next and then finish. Press OK. You will get this name like Ram Shukla. Again they are separated. I will write here first name over here, and I will write here last. This is how you can use text to column. The next trick is very important. If you have duplicate data, then you can remove duplicate data and you will left with only which are not repeated more than once. So for that you need to select your data, click on data option and then click on remove duplicates. So select the columns. It is already selected, so I will press OK. You can see 7 duplicate values are removed, 11 unique values remain. So you can see out of 18 there are 7 which were duplicates, so they are now removed completely. Now I will border this one and I will clear this again. Now the next trick is very important. For that, let me clear this one, cut, delete, again delete and delete this one. The next trick is embedding. In this you can use this table in the Word file. So for that, let me save this file. So now it is saved. So now I will open Word. You open Word. Now in the Word you need to go in the insert section. You need to go in the text. You will see an object option. Then you click on object. Then choose create from file, browse. So I have saved my file on the desktop. Simple, click and I will insert it. I will check the box link to file and I will press OK. You can see that the table is exported over here. Similarly, you can even use Excel file in the Word. This is how you can open an Excel file in the Word. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe the channel. If you have any query, ask in the comment section.